Hi, my name is Carrie. I'm the education coordinator here at Scrap, and today I'm going to do a Valentine's tutorial for PDX Kids Calendar. So today we're going to make a heart garland for Valentine's Day fanciness out of used toilet paper rolls. So Scrap is where we reuse things, so today this is an easy reuse project. Here's what I use to make my project. Take your toilet paper roll and smash it flat. This is the best part of the job for a lot of kids that want to make these. You want to cut it into 4 even sections approximately, and you can punch holes in it now or when you're done. I like punching my holes ahead of time. You're going to kind of form it into the shape of a heart just by pinching, and it'll just hold the shape and just kind of expand out a little bit. So you can just kind of make that with your fingers. I painted mine with acrylic, but you could use tempera paint. So you can paint them all the same color or a couple different Valentine-y colors. You might need to work them back into shape after they've dried. Again, if you didn't punch your holes before, now's a good time to put the holes for stringing it. I strung mine on ribbon. You could use leftover holiday ribbon, packing ribbon, some yarn, anything that will hold it up. And I decided to spruce mine up, and I'll show you, with beads, and I cut up pieces of a Mylar balloon to add a little bit of flashiness. So if you look up close, you can see the detail with the beads and the Mylar balloon as spacers between my hearts. You could also make these into necklaces or any other kind of Valentine decorations, gluing them in a wreath. So at Scrap, we encourage you to reuse. We're open 7 days a week, 10 to 6. Come look us up on the internet. And I hope you check back with PDX Kids Calendar for more tutorials in the future.